Hey guys, dog update. Here's the dogs. Hi Star, hi Sam. Sit down, buddy. Sit. Sit. What's that on your nose, buddy? Yeah, you got a fly on your nose. Hey, buddy. Hey, Sam. Oh, there's our dogs. There's a tramp. Oh, hold on a second. There's my bike. My new bike, I got. So I have it flipped over I was checking the brakes. I was messing with the brakes yesterday, but I'm gonna flip her over so that way we can look at it. Just give me a second, and we'll have so you can look at it the right way. All right, back guys. But here it is, flipped over. Here it is, flipped over. But it's a Mongoose XR200. So check that out. My yard's still fine. And no, that is not rust. That's just the color, copper color. Although it says it's aluminum. Alloy rim. But, that's the color. Check that out. Claw. I don't know what that means. But, that's my new bike. Great yard still fine. It looks like it's a mountain bike because it's got these nice adjusters on it. Speed adjusters and height adjusters and all that. I don't even know what those things mean. But anyways, that's my new bike. And Sam, Star. But that's my new bike. So check this out. Shimano equipped. It's got disc brakes on the front. I mean, actually, I think they're both disc brakes. Swing link. Check this out, though. Aluminum says, but that is my new bike, and hi Star, buddy. Oh, yawn, yawn. Oh, come on, so no, that's not that. That's my Zoom. Neighbor mowing. But, Sam, come here. Say bye to tubers. Say bye to tubers. Be nice. Bye, Star. Alright, guys, so I'll check you guys out later, and we'll see how it goes. So, yeah, I'm starting to get back on the ball of uploading videos now, so check out my channel, BG Fletcher 15. And also, I have another YouTube channel called BG Fletcher 16, but this is my main channel. So, but I do have a couple videos up on BG Fletcher 16. Like, there's an animation I made in class on there stuff. So, if you want to check out animation, then go ahead, be my guest. And we'll catch y'all later. Thank you, and have an awesome day.